Hey guys, welcome back to an all new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be reviewing a portable fan that you could take on the go. Now this here is the JISULIFE Handheld Fan PRO1. If you guys want your own, check out the link down below in the description. And today we'll be seeing exactly what it's all about as well as seeing how it performs. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this here's our packaging, this here is our box. So this says JISULIFE Handheld Fan PRO1, the world's #1 portable fan brand. Alright, it kind of has this cool looking metallic finish, almost looks like a blow dryer, but yeah, I mean, this looks pretty interesting. Now, besides that, let's open this thing up and see what's inside. Alright, oh, there we go. Ah, feels like I'm unboxing like a phone or something. First off, we get a USB-C to USB-B. I'm assuming to charge it. We have an accessory package over here. All right, we got our user manual. Another USB-C to, oh, it's actually a USB-C to USB-C. So fast charging, a little hand strap there. That's kind of neat. And then this here is our fan. Wow! Some first thoughts, definitely has a cool feel to it. I love the metallic finish, it has a very rich quality sense. It's got this nice looking like turbine there as well, and then even on this side here, definitely has almost like a blow dryer kind of feel to it or effect. There's a little dial here on the back side here to essentially, assuming to control the speed, our on-off switch and a USB-C. Besides that, I mean, that is all there really is to it. So let's try this on. Turn it on. Oh, well, here we go. That's actually pretty strong. Wow, that is actually really, really strong. This is crazy. So now it's at 100. It's even got its own little digital display showcasing what power you're using. Wow, that's actually pretty good. I'm shocked. It's hard to breathe with it on in your face. That is actually pretty cool. So just turn it off and turns off. So this is cool. So it's convenient and you can technically put this in a bag or in your backpack. But let's go ahead and put it to the test and see what kind of values we get off of this thing. All right, so I have a BT meter. This here is an anometer, pro anometer, designed to see exactly how fast the wind is on this thing. And let's go ahead and just try this thing out. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back on. And right now it says 0 miles per hour, which is pretty accurate because there's nothing going on. There you go. Oh, it's even have sound. A little click. Hear that? So cool. All right, here we go. So right now we're at fluctuating between 11.8 and 12 miles per hour. Now it's 10. 12.5. There we go. A whopping 12.5 miles per hour. Check that out. That is actually pretty cool. So, I mean, yeah, this is actually pretty neat. I mean, oh no, we just hit 13 miles per hour. So this thing goes 13 miles per hour, and that's actually pretty darn good. So yeah, there you guys have it. I mean, definitely really cool if you're looking for something that's fancy that you can carry about and looking for a 13 mile per hour fan that you can use just for about anything. This here is a great way to go. And again, I mean, it costs a lot of money for a fan, but you have to understand that one, it's USB-C charge. You don't have to worry about batteries. It makes a cool clicking sound. I love that. It's like a little sound. And it's got a digital display. I mean, if you're looking for a smart fan and trying to look for something that has a really quality feel to it, this here is a great way to go. Now, with that said, if you guys have any questions about our JISU fan, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.